Alright, so here we go. FYI, the vents for this microwave are on the left-hand side, and, which some reviews have differently, top rear. So, my wine glass tray, I had to make some supports for, so the heat could vent. The door opens very easily, shuts very easily. Control panel, easy to use. Clock, it's 8:44. I have used it. It works very well. The inside is pretty spacious. Turntable carousel does rotate. Do not take the cardboard piece off the side of the microwave. Paper towels, as you can see. That's it. It's a nice microwave. It works very, very well. That's all I have to say.